I'm here for a very special delivery. I'm here to meet the SS Restoration, a beautiful ship that sailed from New York to Cherbourg so far, and I'm doing the final leg from Cherbourg to Norway, crossing the North Sea in December. It's going to be cold, but it's a wonderful boat. Let's go and see it, let's go and get on board. Midships. Midships.
It was really humbling to get on board with these four guys. They'd just sailed over 4,000 miles from New York and were working together like a well-oiled machine. Not much was said between them, yet under the watchful eye of Captain Harold, they all knew exactly what to do.
You guys rocking? So we've just set off from Cherbourg. We've got a route in here, look. We're heading east with the tide at the moment, through straits here, and then aiming for Newport. So this looks like supper all prepped and ready. Got the full moon. Well, not quite a full moon, is it? Almost a full moon. Yeah. So big tides. Be a beautiful night. It's night watch, it's raining, it's cold, it's choppy. The helm point is very exposed on this boat, so there's nowhere to shelter. You just gotta clip on and hang tight. But the sun should be coming up shortly, so looking forward to that. So we've just had a pretty severe front passover, and it's much better on the back of the front. The sun is out, We've got following seas now and following winds. It was a bit squally for a while, and the jib actually ripped in one of the squalls. So we had to get that down, fight that down. Didn't get any film with that, unfortunately. It was all quite wet and wild at the time, and we were all very busy. But she's sailing along nicely now. Perfect conditions. We've just got the staysail up, give us a bit of stability and a bit of drive, and we're heading for Newport. Long may this sunshine last. What's cooking?
Shepherd's pie. No, cottage pie.
And this is the first cottage pie you've ever made?
I believe
I
so.
hear.
I believe so.
Well,
Well, let's see how it goes.
I've got high hopes. So it's a stunning morning this morning in Newport. Sun shining, blue skies. We're just refueling. Got a few tweaks to do to the rigging, and then we're off back out into the North Sea and heading to Norway. This is Brian, our auto helm.
Good morning.
Captain Harold. Very much feels like this is the calm before the storm as we head along the Dutch coast. Luckily the wind's going to be offshore, so it should be relatively calm waters, and she needs a bit of a blow to get going. So at the moment, enjoying the blue skies, the calm seas, and looking forward to what might be a bit of a wild night.
So we're doing a training flight. We want to do some horse training. It's allowed that we come on board for approximately a half an hour to do some training. Yeah, that's okay. Go ahead. Okay, so you're staying this course? For the next 40 minutes, yes. Okay, thank you. Then we're going to set up a training exercise. Thank you.
That's the Coast Guard helicopter doing some training with a boat nearby, so we'll keep an eye out for that.
Warships. This is the Netherlands Coast Guard. Gear warning, coastal waters, adjacent lakes and estuaries. Date time group the 5th of December 2353 UTC. Flushing. Hook of Holland. I am Newton. South to southeast 8. Tex. Harlingen. Rotterdam. South to southeast 7.
So that's Brian going forward, and he's going to start getting ready to get the square sail out, Viking sail. We've got the wind dead behind us, so all the crew are getting activated. They look very excited to be up on deck. We're in the North Sea. It's really cold. It's raining, and there's maybe 2 to 3 meters of swell. But these guys, they've sailed all the way from New York together. It's certainly not the first time they've hoisted this sail on this trip. And they're just getting it prepped and ready to go up. Rolling around in the North Sea. I thought I'd just quickly show you a bit of the boat inside, so spin the camera around. This is the main saloon area. Check out the mast, beautiful piece of wood. And we've got Christmas lights up. So this is the galley, and it's right up in the bow of the boat. And we've got nearly 3 meters of swell at the moment, so it is a bit rolly. And the electric hob here isn't gimbaled. So one solution is lash it in. And for defrosting, this is the only warm place on the boat. So put that in here, come back. Just starting my 4-hour night watch. At the moment it's calm. The wind's starting to build a little bit, but it's still pretty calm at the moment. There's a bit of a storm forecast. We're 75 miles off the coast now, so we're running as fast as we can to get away from the worst of it. So I should have 3 or 4 or 5 hours maybe of relative calm. And then I think it's going to be a little lively. So the wind's just starting to fill in now. And everything's creaking a little more. Everything's wobbling a bit more. We are about here. This is the forecast for in an hour and a half's time. Just approaching the Norwegian coast now. The wind has died a little, as they said it would as we came into the centre of the low. The sea state is still quite confused. Arrived. "20 miles to go apparently." Can you sum up the whole trip in one sentence or two?
Spectacular.
One word. That's all that's needed.
Oh, and a sentence or two?
No, one word's fine. One word's fine. Spectacular, and spectacular is a good word for this view now. Sunrise over Norway after an epic trip from New York. So this is Brian doing some cleaning. Not only a fantastic sailor, an excellent auto helm, also turns out quite a good cleaner. You got any thoughts, Harold, on this trip and how it's been?
It's been a long one and a tired one, but we finally get there. So,
Awesome.
job well done.
4,500 miles.
4,500 miles in 45 days.
Nice. Thank you.
There was a small welcome party for us in Kvitsøy. Here we would have one night so that we could arrive at a set time for a much bigger reception in Stavanger. What an absolutely stunning place this is.
So we've just arrived in Norway, and the lovely lady
Norwegian
brought us some Norwegian waffles.
Oh yeah.
Here we are on our final leg to Stavanger. We have a few extra people on board.
Yeah.
A few people waving us off over there. And what's really cool is we've got this, what would you call that, Jesse? A tugboat? A fishing boat?
Pilot boat.
Pilot boat.
That's a classic.
We've got it
pilot boat.
escorting us to Stavanger. So we weren't really sure what sort of courtesy flag to put up coming into Norway. She's Norwegian, so maybe none at all, but oh look, we've got a Christmas tree. Just had a lovely rice pudding from here, and then this is called glug. So let's glug some of this. Yum. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Harold, have you ever had as many boats as this greet you after a delivery before?
Never ever. It all feels quite uncomfortable.
Well, yeah, I wouldn't get too used to it. Amazing sight though.
It is.
Without Anne, this project could not have happened, I think it's fair to say. And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very proud, and I will also say this will never be a success if you haven't shared it with others and got some help. So I'm not allowed, that's for sure. But thank you. I'm feeling very proud.
Oh, it's a special moment indeed.
It is a very special moment.
And look, everyone's out to see us.
It was good. I'll do it again.